How to form and operate a nonprofit organization. As you've been watching each of these segments, you've seen us go from a beginning organization that met in someone's living room to going through the fundraising and finally filing at the 1023 to become a nonprofit. You're starting to expand as an organization, which means there are going to be extra problems you're going to have to address. One of the biggest problems that new board members particularly ask is about board liability. What are they responsible for? Do they need to take board liability insurance? There's two answers to that question, a yes and a no. No, you don't need board liability insurance if you're not hiring staff or you don't own any real property. The fact that you are a corporation with the papers through your state means the state has looked at your organization and said, you're an okay organization, you have your ducks in a row. The corporation is actually responsible for the day-to-day things that you do. So as long as things are done in good faith and you don't do anything, as I say, stupid, you should be fine. Again, if there's questions, ask a lawyer. I am not a tax lawyer. Board liability insurance does come into play when you hire employees where there may be issues of disgruntled employee lawsuits, or when you own property where there's questions of liability may come up. At that point, you may want to consider liability insurance, but otherwise, there's really no need for it at the early stage. If you have questions, please consult a lawyer. The next section I'm going to cover quickly will be the dynamics between a board of directors and the operations or staff part of your organization. Stay with me.